Well, time for a diag cart tour, an actual video. Well, this is a Snap-on Blue Point, actually, a slide top. I'll go over the drawers first. First drawer, AES Wave test lead kit. Some other stuff that comes with them. Probes, vac probes, fuse buddies, terminal cleaners, temperature probe that I always forget that's there. The second drawer, I've got a bunch of other stuff. Everything's pretty much categorized and where they need to be. Spare fuses, because I tend to replace a lot of fuses for other people. You know, just normal stuff you'd probably see on any diag cart. Piercing probes, these ones I don't really use too much. Some terminal tools. Volkswagen coil thing that sometimes I use that's in a spot that's way too big for it. Some fuse pullers. These are, I think, Mueller Kep, or however the hell you say that. Pretty cool. Some IPA relay testers. You can put an amp clamp around there or turn it off and on. Pretty helpful. Some little screwdrivers. A bunch of little vacuum hose adapters for doing stuff. Some banana to BNC adapters. This one is one of the ones that I make. Yep. Oh, and I put that in the wrong spot. Next drawer. Just random stuff in here. Coil probes, a Wise probe. Don't use this that much. Some NVH stuff. Dongles. Bunch of dongles. Last drawer. Pressure transducer stuff. You know, pulse sensors from Mr. Michael Nicholson. Great OG ones. Stuff for the WPS. We've got 2 of them here at the shop. Love using them. The Load Pro. Don't really use that too much. A spot here that one of my test lights I can't find right now, but that goes right there. Last drawer, I keep one of the Oasis Scientific borescopes in here. Actually don't use this one that much because it's kind of just annoying to hook up, but sometimes if you need to get into a cylinder, you know, you can actually actuate this to do one of those up inside the cylinder. You know, look at a valve that's probably broken or some other shit. Test lead box. This I actually use a lot. This is a Power Probe short finder. I actually have had real good luck with that. This is the camera I actually use a lot. I thought when I got rid of this one, or stopped using this one, I would use this more, but I actually use this more because it's quick. Around the side, you know, I keep all my BNC cables here. These are the ones that I make that you can order off the website. Love them. Up here, you know, I keep my laptop, monitor. Made this little back probe coffin, just to stick all the back probes in there. Around the side, don't keep much. I actually keep all my Phil's probes in this screwdriver holder from Snap-on that attaches to their slots and dots system, which I really like. I make this. This is one of my cup holders. It's pretty cool. You can, when you order them, you can get any color you want. And you can put custom color inlays in the bottom. Comes with 2 magnets. It's pretty powerful. Ooh. Yep. Around the back here, you know, I keep all my amp probes. I'm pretty sure I left my high amp clamp on a vehicle. Hopefully it's still in the shop. This one I actually modded, which you can order from my website. You know, I put a short one on here, keeps it nice and tidy, and then you can just choose whatever size BNC cable. This is what I use for the monitor mount. Pretty handy. And then these are my VCI Clasps that I make that everyone seems to like. Pretty handy. They stick right there. Pretty strong. My power probe, you know, when you're trying to blow up modules. Just kidding. I actually use this a lot. It's pretty handy. Here's my boom kit that I make. This is an older one, but the newer ones I rounded off the edges and stuff. But yeah, it goes all the way up. And then this is one of the older ones. I haven't decided to print a new one for myself, but I keep all my test leads up here. And sometimes I hang amp clamps here, but I mainly use to hold my alligator clips. If you're looking for alligator clips, highly recommend these ones. I believe these are from Pico, or from AES Wave. I know I got them from AES Wave, but man, these are strong. Way better than these ones. I hate these ones. They break. Keep my multimeter there. And yeah, got a little, if you're a Star Wars fan, I printed one of these. These are supposed to go on droids to keep them from going anywhere. Yeah, I actually use this as a handle to open my cart, which, let's open this. This is nice because it slides out. Don't keep too much in here. Keep some scan tools in here, powered up. I have a bunch of USB cables and power cables all routed, so it's nice and tidy, and you can easily pull them out, charge them. Keep my Autel up here. Charging cable just comes out on the side here. If I can find it. There we go. Nice, quick, easy grab up top, because I tend to use the 608 and the Top Don the most. Got my uScope. This is the uScope case I make. Pretty cool. I keep my Pico in here. You know, these are some of my other BNC cables I make. I actually have them routed through here. If you can see, maybe not. They go to my BNC bulkhead connector. So anytime I just plug them up in here, and it keeps my Pico out of the way. I haven't released this, but I'm actually releasing something else for the scope, which will actually attach to the bottom of this. And I'll have just one cable with a big multi-pin connector that will branch off and come down in here. This, I actually 3D printed these little hangers here. This is if you like IKEA stuff, like me and my wife do, this is from a bookcase, the Billy bookcase. It actually fits exactly in here, and I just made these little hangers to basically make a shelf in here. It's pretty handy. See if I can power adapter, and then I have a little keeps all my power cables and blocks in there. So yeah, that's my cart. Pretty cool. pretty simple, but super organized. One of the things I really stress on, even just myself, is just staying organized, having a place for everything. You know when something's missing. Quick, easy grab and go without having to search through stuff. I could probably, if you're like, hey, where's this? I'd be like, drawer 2, in so-and-so container. These containers, I've posted in the group before about these. They're from a company called Scheller Corporation. You can get them in any size, most of the time different depths. They actually have a drawer builder that you can enter the dimensions of your drawer and then build the drawer, and then you just order the containers. Are very affordable as well. So, yep, that's it.